Hey guys, my name is Shalom Milus. This is my first Raspberry Pi tutorial, and basically what I'm going to show you is how to connect your Raspberry Pi using your internet connection, your router, and basically you could work on your Raspberry Pi using your computer without having to connect your Raspberry Pi to a TV monitor, have an extra keyboard and mouse. And having to connect both, and it's just a lot easier and not that complicated to connect it to your computer. So basically what you need to do is just to power up your Raspberry Pi and connect it to your router. I'm using an Ethernet port instead of the Wi-Fi. Both should work, Wi-Fi or Ethernet connect port. The only thing that you do need to get before you start this tutorial is the IP address for your Raspberry Pi. And I found the easiest way is just to connect your Raspberry Pi to your TV for the first time, run it, log in, and you should see your IP address. Jot it down, and then we could get started. If not, there's other ways of getting it. You could just go into your router itself with the default address of you go to your browser. You press 192.168.2.1. I'll ask you for your username and password for your router. I don't remember mine, so just the easiest way for me was just to connect it to my TV and just see it, jot it down. So let's get started. We're going to need to open up our terminal. I'm just going to close this down. We're going to open up our terminal, and what we're going to do, I found an easier way. Instead of writing SSH and then you write your username for your Raspberry Pi, which is Pi on my Raspberry Pi, the username, the and then you write down the IP address, which is close to the default one, and basically I'll ask you your password, Raspberry, which is the default password. Oops, I guess I made a mistake. Why isn't it working? Well, I found a better way to do is you go into your shell, new network connection. What you're going to do here is you're going to add one. And basically you're going to put the IP address, which is 192.168.2.24. The username is Pi. And it's already an SSH automatic connection. You press select it. You press connect, and it will already jump. Let's close this one. It would already pre-jump, and then you just write your password. And there you go. And I'm logged in. So I don't know why the other way didn't work, but basically it's the same address, right? So we can close this. And right now I'm logged into my Raspberry Pi. And what we're going to do now, just to make sure, just to test it, you can press LS, then you can see there's my desktop, documents, and other folders that I've installed, and that's already there by default. And so what we're going to do is we're going to install tight VNC server on our Raspberry Pi. So to do that, we write sudo apt get install tight VNC server, and you press enter, and it should download the package. It's reading the package, building it, should install it, and we are done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run the VNC software, so it's going to recognize our computer. It's going to be able to talk to the other VNC that we're going to install on our Mac. So you write VNC server enter. Should be, yeah. And so now we have it. As soon as you see this, it's running on our computer. Now I have two of them that are running because I already did this before just to make sure it's working. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave this open, and we're going to download VNC viewer for our Mac, which I already did and installed it. So what I'm going to do is just open it. And well, here, let me show you. I went to my downloads folder, just double clicked it, and I just double clicked it and opened it. But the way to, this won't work if you don't first open it in your Raspberry Pi. And that's very crucial, because then you're gonna freak out. How come it's not working? How it's not working? So basically, you write your IP address. Like I've written it here. One, I think the other one is 2 now, since we got the 2. Oh, let's try 1. It should work. And then you just click, and it's gonna ask you for your Raspberry Pi password. And there you go. You're connected in your Raspberry Pi. You're connected into your Raspberry Pi. It's a viewport. You're using VNC to actually go on it, and you could perform all the tasks you needed to do right within your computer. And if you have any questions, you could email me at well, my email is, I'm going to put my email, I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to write it. You could email me or talk to me through the YouTube channel that I'm creating. And thanks for watching. Subscribe. If you have any requests for any other tutorials that you would like to know how to do, please let me know. I'll play around with it, see if I can get it to work. And thank you very much. Leave a comment if you want. Share it. Thanks, guys.